Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete profile picture on Facebook easily. So let's begin. So here we are in Facebook, and to delete our profile picture is very simple. All you have to do is tap here at the bottom right on the menu, and from here tap on your name or your profile right here, so tap on it. So then from here what you want to do is tap on your profile picture, and once you tap on it you can tap here on see profile picture. And then from here, you would have the options by tapping here on the top right. When you see these three dots, tap on it. And then from here, once you tap on it, you want to tap here on delete photo, and you want to tap on delete. And just like that, you have successfully deleted your profile picture on Facebook. And when you refresh it, it would be gone right here. Just give it a few seconds, just like that. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.